guys, how are you? This is Patty for Congolese Sister. So I created this look. I use my lashes, Kayowa Beauty. If you want to be rocking the best lashes, I'm giving you the plug. So yeah, I created this look. I really hope you guys will love this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video and this channel. So I'll see you on the other side, I guess. Let go. Hey guys, so starting off the look, I'm starting with priming my face with my Boscia primer. As per usual, this is nothing new. I always prime with that. So enjoy me priming my face, and then I'm setting that primer with my Fenty Beauty Invisimatte. And then for foundation, I'm mixing my Dior 5N with I recently got the foundation Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX, and that was in the shade Golden. So I'm mixing Golden and Dior 5N together to make it a bit lighter because my Dior is too dark and the next one is too light. So that's what I'm using. For concealer, I'm using my Smashbox concealer as per usual. I think this is the shade, I'm forgetting the name right now, but you know, I always use that foundation, so it's nothing new. It's gonna be listed down below in the description box. Ooh. I don't know why on camera it looks so white. It's not that white, people. It's not that white. Okay, so now going on to the eyes, I'm using my James Charles and Morphe palette. That is a really good palette for everybody, I feel like. So the first shade I took is the shade Playground. I'm so sorry, I don't know why I said it. This Playground. I feel like it's a good like palette, especially for us like black people. It's good for you to, if ever you're hesitating, it's gonna like the color payoff is good. So we're totally good with that palette. I love that palette. There's good colors in it, and I use it when I want to do my funky look, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm going into the shade Redder. It's a darker blue, and I'm just like placing that a little bit more into my crease. Enjoy me doing that. Make sure you blend. Blending is key, guys. Okay, so moving on to my lip color, I'm taking the shade called Cake from a company that is called Sugabee Cosmetics. It's from their Maziyah. Sorry, I'm saying this name so wrong, but the palette name is Maziyah, and it's like a combination of matte, shimmer, and glitter eyeshadow. So that is another cheap palette that I've been loving so far. So I'm applying that cake color all over my lid, and I'm just like blending everything in to make sure that everything is like smooth and seamless. And then from the same palette again, I'm taking this color which is Twilight Dreams, and I'm placing that like well, I'm placing that where you're seeing me placing it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm placing that like close to my lash line, I guess. Just a little bit, just to have like a little pop because that is a shimmer color. Okay guys, so I'm gonna apply my lashes. So Kayowa Beauty if you want to be rocking the best lashes. So this is the box. So I'm gonna wear the Style Wisdom, which is a 20 millimeter lash. So this is it. I hope you can see it properly. I think you can. Or then I can also like film a little snippet and I can put it in there. And also there's a quote on it and it says, "Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness but will have the light of life." So I think that's a little cute quote. So what I will do is I'm gonna apply it off camera because I'm just not comfortable applying lashes on camera yet. So I'm gonna apply it off camera and I'm gonna come back to you guys with the finished look basically. So I'll be right back. Give me just like a couple of seconds and I'll be right back. I think like 20 seconds, so I'll be back in 20 seconds. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Tell me how you feel about this look. I use my lashes, Kayowa Beauty. If you want to be rocking the best lashes, those are the Style Wisdom. So they're 20 millimeter. Also, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It's really appreciated. Comment down below what you think about this look, what you think about these lashes, about the lash company so far. You know, it's not only gonna stay lashes because we're gonna get bigger and better, you know, by God's grace. So yeah, comment down below. I hope you guys will have a blessed day. Like honestly, stay safe guys. Have a blessed day, a blessed night. I will keep on praying for all of you. Before you click out of this video, please don't forget to love, comment, share, and subscribe. It will really help us and it will really mean the world to us. So thank you again for watching this video and I see you guys on the next video. Bye.